Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the Success Channel. I'm Rita C, and today I will show you the top 4 sites to find free photos and video clips for your projects. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking that subscribe button below this video. Let's get started with number 4. Unsplash at unsplash.com is number 4. Unsplash has high-quality photos to choose from. You might see a default search for Unsplash itself, so let's put in the word bus. As you can see, there is quite an array of bus photographs. Yellow buses, red buses, blue buses, a lot of buses, a lot of beautiful scenery with buses. So, once you make your choice, you can download the image by clicking this down arrow, or you can simply save it to your device by right-clicking your mouse and choosing Save Image As. You can also copy and paste the image directly into your project, which is what I do most of the time. If you click on the Home tab, at the top you will see several pre-populated categories. Let's try one. Let's try nature. Absolutely beautiful images. Beautiful. So all of these images are completely free. But we will take a look at the license for reassurance. As you can see here, the Unsplash license reflects that all photos can be downloaded and used for free for commercial and non-commercial purposes. No permission is needed, although attribution is appreciated. Now let's see what we have for number 3. Coming in at number 3 is Reshot at Reshot.com. This site also has high quality free images. It's rated above Unsplash because you can access the pre-populated categories a lot easier, and there are also subcategories to choose from, which may help you narrow your search or give you more ideas. And of course, you can always type in your search in the search bar. Let's scroll down to the license information. All photos under the Reshot Stock Photo Free License can be used in your commercial and non-commercial projects for free. Giving photo credit is not required, but our talented photographers do greatly appreciate it when possible. So once you make your selection here, you may download the image, save, or copy and paste. Reshot coming in at a strong number 3. Are you ready for number 2? Here we go. Number 2, my friends, is Pexels at Pexels.com. Pexels not only has high quality free stock photos, but Pexels is also a resource for free video clips. Let's take a look at the license. All photos and videos on Pexels are free to use. Attribution is not required. Giving credit to the photographer or Pexels is not necessary but always appreciated. And then lastly, you can modify the photos and videos from Pexels. Now let's make a search. Birds. There are many beautiful images to choose from, as you can see. All of these images are high quality and free. When you have made your selection, You can download, save, or copy and paste. If you look here, we are on photos. Let's shift to video clips. Remember, these are all free video clips as well. If you hover your cursor over each frame, you can preview how the clip will look. These clips may run from a few seconds up to a minute or more. When you have made your selection, click the down arrow to download the video. As the video downloads, you can donate to the creator, follow him or her on Instagram, and or copy here to give attribution. So Pexels.com is holding steady at a high number 2 among the top 4 sites for free photos and videos, having beat Unsplash and Reshot, getting closer and closer to number 1. And finally, my number 1 pick for free photos and videos is Pixabay at Pixabay.com. Pixabay is very deserving as number 1 because it has a plethora of photos, illustrations, vectors, videos, and music. And they are all free. Let's take a look at the license. All content on Pixabay can be used for free for commercial and non-commercial use across print and digital, except in the cases mentioned in what is not allowed, as you can see below. Attribution is not required, but appreciated, and you can make modifications to content from Pixabay. Going back to the photo page, to make your selection, you can save the image, copy and paste, or download. But to download, you need to click on the image and then click the download button to the right. So let's check out the illustrations page and see how these images look. The vectors page. So with Pixabay, you have a lot of assortment. And the videos page. Like Pexels, you can hover with your cursor to preview the video and how it will look. But you can also see how long the clip will be. 10 seconds, 11 seconds, 16 seconds, or 27 seconds. When you have made your selection, click on the video clip, then the download button to the right. You have the option of donating to the author, following him or her on social media, or copying the attribution. You can see the file downloading. Once your file has downloaded, you can show it in the folder or you can open it. Now for the bonus category, music. Again, these audio tracks are free to use. You can narrow your search by genre, mood, and movement. Once you've previewed, and decided on a track, click the download. Again, it's your choice to donate or give attribution. Once your file has downloaded, you can open or show in the folder. And that does it for Pixabay, my #1 choice. Hey, if you like this video, hit this thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Then click the notification bell so you may receive more videos like this one. I have placed links to each of the 4 sites discussed in this video in the description below. Until next time, I'm Rita C on the Success Channel.